Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right up corner, and then you're going to select the bookmarks here and bookmark manager. And when you're going to be here, go to right up corner again to the three dots, and you can simply import bookmarks, right? And you just need to file a name which is like .html, and this is pretty much how you do it. So in a new tab, right up corner to the three dots, then bookmark manager, and right here go again to right up corner to the three dots and import bookmarks. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.